So I don't give a fuck about what you talking about, Spider Low. Crab ass nigga. Give a fuck about now, nigga. Last name Low. Nigga, fuck you. Fuck what you stand for. Fuck what you represent. Bitch ass nigga. I run shit down here in Texas, and like I tell anyone, you bitch ass nigga, wherever fuck you niggas from, wherever the fuck you from, Spider Low, ain't now nigga from your city or your motherfucking town ever came to Texas and been a bad motherfucker. I'm Michael Jackson bad, nigga. I'm the nigga who can talk and make everybody feel some kind of motherfucking way, nigga. And I got your bitch ass feeling some kind of way too, Spider Low. Fuck you talking about, nigga. I don't even know who the fuck you is, what you sing, what you rap, where you from. I don't know nothing about you. And you done went and made a motherfucking song. You one of them old rapping ass niggas, dumb broke motherfucker. Don't nobody believe in no nigga that rap, nigga. Not even your manager. You ain't got a damn motherfucking song ever played nowhere. You a has been. Washed up nigga. Probably a never was kind of nigga. And wherever you from. Nigga, that's why you on this bitch talking about what I'm saying. Nigga, you niggas, I told you niggas on Say Cheese TV. What I tell you niggas? You niggas is getting caught up into the conversation, and you bitch ass niggas is falling in love with this motherfucking macking like them hoes. If you niggas took your eyes and your ears off of me, I would disappear. But you niggas, listen to me. 94% of my viewership is from males watching me, nigga. You niggas done made me a star. You niggas done made me a sensation. You niggas got me a movie deal. And you niggas don't even like me. So fuck you niggas. Keep watching me. Bitch ass niggas.